Welcome to the Motorcycle TV. Ducati is beginning to repopulate its model range in India. Earlier this year, it seemed that Ducati's future in the Indian market was looking rather bleak. With nearly all of their previous models failing to complying with the newly implemented BS6 standard, the Panigale V2 was, for a time, the Italian marque's sole stallion in the stable, until now. Ducati has released a teaser of their updated Scrambler 1100, which now boasts Euro 5 and BS6 compliance. This biggest Scrambler in the lineup will sit alongside the Panigale V2 in Ducati dealerships across India very soon. Although, being available in the global market for quite some time now, the Scrambler 1100 will be the first updated Scrambler to enter the Indian market. Teased with an image of the bike's now iconic headlight with the X pattern prominently displayed, the retro-styled bike will come in two variants, Sport and Sport Pro. Both bikes will be powered by Ducati's 1.097cc, air-cooled, desmodromic L-twin churning out 86 horsepower. As opposed to its global counterparts, however, the India-spec Scrambler 1100 is fitted with a revised exhaust system to conform to BS6 standards.